Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on taking a screenshot on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can take screenshots of your Apple Watch screen. You can enable or disable the ability to do this in the settings. To take a screenshot, first make sure that screenshots are enabled in the settings. If they aren't enabled, it won't be possible to take one. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Screenshots. You can now tap the toggle to enable screenshots. When the toggle is green, screenshots are enabled. You can now take screenshots. To take a screenshot, press the digital crown and the side button simultaneously. You will know the screenshot has been taken by the screen flashing white. Screenshots will be saved to the Photos app on your phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.